Hey guys, this is Baked with Chris, and we're going to make a crunch wrap. So first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to have to brown up some hamburger meat and add taco seasoning. And you're going to want to put that right there in a little circle on your flour tortilla. Nice circular pile. Okay, and then we're going to add some of our Tostitos Mexican cheese sauce, which you can get at any grocery store. Add that on top of your meat there. Okay, now you can buy tostadas at most grocery stores, and if you can't find them, you can just break taco shells in half. But we're just going to place that right on top there. Okay, and now we're going to take some sour cream, spread that over top of this tostada, just like that. Now we're going to add a little bit of lettuce, some tomato, and a nice pile of cheese on top of that. And now I have some little flour tortilla pieces that I'm going to just put one piece on top like that. And this is the main part. You got to do this right. It's all about the fold. So you got to get the fold and hold it while you're doing it. It can be difficult, but you just got to keep folding. Keep folding, and you're going to have a hot pan ready to go. And you want to make sure you put this with the folds down so that it allows the cheese to melt and hold it all together. Okay, here we go in our pan. We're going to give it about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until browned. Yeah, so it's a pretty simple, awesome meal. They have it at KFC, but I loved it so much I wanted to create it at home, and it's just so easy. And you can even have like 3 pans going and do like, I've had 8 people for dinner, and it just works out great. So yeah, you want to come over here and check it out in the pan. We got her in the pan, just frying away until each side's nice and brown. Let's check it out. Oh, we're starting to brown up there. That's good. Good sign. Now, if you want, after you're done making this, it's nice to have some salsa, and you can use a spoon and put it in as every bite, or you can even have hot sauce too. A lot of people like hot sauce on this. It's really good too. Okay, so I think we're ready for a flip, and you can see here how the cheese keeps it all together, and yeah, so good. We're going to give it another minute here, a minute and a half on the other side, and that should be it. Altogether, this took me about 20 minutes for prep time and cook time. After you're done cooking about 3 of these, it'll be about 20 minutes it takes. Not that long for a really good meal. Alright, here we go. Getting there, almost browned up. Awesome. Now, if you're a spice fan, you can buy the taco seasoning that is hot instead of just the regular. I used regular this time because it's just too spicy, but if you're really into hot stuff, you can get the hot taco seasoning, and it really spices things up. Let's have a little look here. Alright, yummy. We are good to go. Come over here and we will cut her in half. Take a look. And there you go, guys. Crunch wraps at home. Thanks for watching. If you like more of this content, you can subscribe to my channel, All 4 Games, and hit the notification bell. Thanks, guys.